Hi guys, well I've been doing the least favourable thing on the allotments today, and that is sorting the communal chickens out. I hate going in that pen at the moment. It's a quagmire. Honestly, it resembles the Somme. It's that bad. You got craters where the chickens have dug down and they've like potholes everywhere, and with the rain blowing through the sides, and the chickens, there's about 24 chickens in there. They've turned it to mud right round the edges. And when I go in, I'm slipping and sliding. 2 mornings ago I went in, slipped, hurt all me leg. I'm limping like hell at the moment. And went in to get the eggs, and well, the eggs are another matter. You're going to see in a minute. So I'm going to show you a couple of clips, and I'm going to show you what we have to do with these eggs. After I've done all that, I'll show you how we how I mark them up and what have you, for everyone to come and get. So let me take you over there now and show you. You're going to see how bad the pen is. It's terrible, honestly. So here's my least enjoyable job, going over to the communal chickens and putting some water if they need it and food in, and removing the eggs. Now it's been raining, so the eggs will be all dirty because the inside of the pen will be mucky. They turn it to sludge half the time when it's like this. I don't know what I'm coming to expect, but it's not a very happy sight. I don't know how this camera's holding up. This is a little GoPro 4 I'm using. Leave the comments, let me know what you think about this little segment here. They're all waiting for me. How about that? Look at them all there. I just can't show you the combination, but I'm just opening the... There we go. Right, we're in. Now all I've got to do now is get past the buggers. Come on girls, let me come in. Come on, mush, 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 mush. Come on. This is where it gets hairy. I hope one of them try to make a break there then. Now this is the mud. It's dry in the middle, but around the edges it's really, really slippy. This is where they had an accident yesterday. Come on. Got to wait while they move out the bloody way. See what I mean? They turned the soil to mud. It's all these holes here where what the chickens are dug so they can dust themselves down. Now it's dry here. It's all nice and dry here, but around the edges it's terrible, and we've got no wood chip to put in. And this is the look of the feet there, guys, and nothing I can do about it. I was thinking about setting some sort of water thing where they could walk through, but nope, it won't work. Anyway, I'm just going to go in there now and and get the eggs. The camera won't work very well in there because it doesn't work in low light, these GoPros, unfortunately. But as you can see, they've got there's water in the bowl for them there, and there's food in both of these, and I'm being pet to death by chickens. Right, so it's just a matter of opening this up and going in here, so it won't be long, guys. So there you go, 16 shitty eggs that I've got to clean up. There we girls. Bloody awful. It's like, honestly, it's like a quagmire. So this is the least joyful job I have to do each morning. It's just heading back down to the communal shed now. Right, I've got to open this up, so I'll be right back, guys. Got to get my keys out to open the door. Cleaning all the dirt off the eggs with these brushes. Half the time I break the bloody eggs. You try to be careful. Yeah, they've laid 16 so well this morning. Yet no one wants to buy a shitty egg. Yeah, this is the least likeable job I have to do every bloody morning. What are you guys doing New Year's Day? This is what I'm doing. Look at that. It's the last of the eggs. So all the eggs are over there. Sorry about that, guys. So what I've got to do now, get me boxes here, get me little rag, dry it, and now it's dry them off into the into the egg box. Broken eggshell in there, I need to empty all that into the bin. The eggs get broke. Like I say, when you're cleaning them, you press a bit too hard and, well, I don't have to do this with mine, cleaning mine. So there's the first box. Like I say, I've got another 10 eggs there to be cleaning. So it's just a matter of drying them, putting them into the box. It's a job that takes its time. I haven't really got much time to do these, but I say it's either that or people just leave them. So anyway, very fussy they are. There's another 6. Got to write the dates on them yet. Obviously there's only 4 here, so when we get another 2 eggs, I just add them to that. That'll be tomorrow probably. There was that much noise last night, I'm surprised they even laid any eggs today. Right, so all this broken egg stuff here. Okay, so that's it, they're all clear. There's another 4 there, so we've got 16 eggs today. And like I say, it's New Year's Day today. All them fireworks last night must have terrified them to death. Anyway, let's show you what else we've got to do. So we've got to come over here. Now, this is the eggs. I think there's about 3 days of eggs here. What they do, you put the date, how many eggs they bought, what plot where they come off, and how much they paid, £2. This is my thing here, so what I do, I come on, it's 01 12 19. They laid 16 eggs, and obviously I just got to put me because I'm the one who went in. So all I do now is just put these in here. I think they might be There we go. So what we got there, we got nearly 4 dozen eggs. They should go pretty quick then. But yeah, this is what I have to do, and like I say, it's all written down here, all in, you know, added up. That's where they sign. They put money in a jar, in a honesty box, and then I come along, or Laurent comes along, and he takes all the money. So there we go. That's what I've had to do so far this morning. I've not even been in to see my chickens yet. But yeah, every day I have to do that, guys. There's dedication for you. So there you go, that's the pen. It looks disgusting. As you saw, we had to wash all the eggs, and you see how we put record everything, so we know exactly how many they're laying and what have you. However, I didn't leave it like that. I went in with back in with my shovel. Me and my mate Mike, not Mike, I said it was Mike in the video, it was Jim. Me and Jim went in with the shovels, and we've levelled it all, and it's a lot better now. I'll just quickly show you what we did. Chicken pen, and you see the girls here. Just give them a stroke. Sad as they are. But yeah, the reason why I've come back in here is to show you the chicken floor. Now this was like Dunkirk the other day. It was all like the Somme, to be quite honest with you. There was all mud everywhere. Holes, 6 inches old, 6 inch deep holes everywhere. Well, we've levelled it. Me and my mate Mike, we come in a bit earlier, and we've levelled it all. Actually, it wasn't Mike. It was Jim. And we've where it was all muddy, we've built it up with the stuff that was in the centre. Cause over the years it's all piled up in the middle, so we just levelled it. It looks a damn sight better. Look at this lot here. Hey, what are you doing here, you bugger? And you, and you. Unbelievable they are. I've got to be careful because I won't jump on me shoulder, and they've got dirty muddy, look at them muddy feet you got there, you scruffs. Anyway, these are all Nova Browns, by the way. What do you think, girls? Looks a lot better, doesn't it? Eh? Looks a lot better, doesn't it? So yeah, all that mud is all gone, and we'll be putting some wood chip in there shortly. In fact, a friend of mine not 5 minutes ago popped her head round the corner. She's actually gone up to the top to get some wood chip. It was dropped off last night, and I've not had time to put it into the communal pen yet. I don't think that lot will be going in there because everyone's making a run on it. However, I did put some in my chicken pen. Now, after we went over there, obviously went into my pen to get the eggs out and to put water in. In fact, I'm going to show you, start off where we was putting the water in, and then we'll take you into show you the eggs, show you how many eggs they had. You'll laugh. I didn't. Well, here I am, running water, and what I'm doing, filling this water butt up. This is for my chickens. Right, just going to have to put the camera down for a second. Stand it up there. Now I've got to screw the bloody lid back on. There we go. I'm just going to swing it over, and then away we go. There we go. So I've got the bloody water, and now I'm limping to my chicken pen. Hear me, girls? I'd say it's not easy carrying this bloody water thing and holding this camera. There we go. Oh dear. That's where we've put that one. Rhode Island Red, Road Rock, and that one there is an over. Obviously we've got the water, just put that down there, food, water. Right, I want my eggs, come on, where are they? Get out of it. Right, what we got in here? Well, there's 3 there. Oh god, well there's one just got smashed. Did it get smashed? Yep. So, how many we got there? There's 3 more. Yeah, we put these dummy eggs in here. So I did have 6 eggs. And yeah, not only are the chickens cracking eggs, so am I. Bloody hell, look at that, what a shame. I'm not going to throw the eggs to him because that's the last thing that they'll need to do. They'll be smashing them up. So I'm going to put that, look at that, I've brought a bloody egg. Anyway, thanks girls. You little devils, you. Yeah, better get this egg out before they see it. We'll give them ideas. Anyway, that's my chickens sorted. So there they are, all happy and all content. Yep, went and dropped one, didn't I? Hey, chickens have been breaking, and what do I go and do? Break a bloody egg. So I had to sling that one. I couldn't leave it in the pen. If I left it in there, they'd all be breaking the eggs again. That's the last thing I needed. Anyway, yeah, we got half a dozen eggs, but unfortunately broke one there. But yeah, a little bit earlier on, like I say, there's some wood chip at the top of the allotments, and anyway, I went up there, got a couple of bags, and I've put them into the chicken pen, and let me show you what it looks like now. Well, the bravest of the brave is the Nova Brown, and there she is. The Road Rocks are keeping to the back. There's a Rhode Island Red on the left hand side. So you've got a couple of Rhode Island Reds there, a couple of Road Rocks. Rhode Island Reds and Nova Browns having a drink of water there. Anyway, we just put some new wood chip in the chicken pen, so these should be okay. And a good scratch around there. The one in front of the camera, that's a Rhode Island Red. The one just behind it's a Nova Brown. And hiding behind the ladder to go into the coop are the two. There's a couple of Rhode Island Road Rocks. Yeah, beautiful Rhode Island Reds. So the chickens have got a new floor in there. We just put it over the top of the old floor. It doesn't really matter. It just gives it more insulation, and hopefully it'll keep the temperature a couple of degrees up inside there, rather than it's a lot better for the chickens to walk on as well. And like I say, they saw the food and the water in there. They've got more food and water than they could ever need. There's up to about 3 days of supply in there. So, but I do it go in every morning, put fresh water in anyway. But yeah, that's my chickens all taken care of. So they're the 2 least favourable things I like to do on the allotments.